Yo, Ringo. Are good vibes. Release stress. Feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Release stress. Him feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Ringo could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Power, release stress. Ringo feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Yeah.
Yes, everybody, welcome to another amazing day. Cooking for the local community, cooking for the homeless. Alright, a vegetable soup I cooked today now. I'm joined here with Fen.
Come on.
Man, Fen, big up yourself. Wagwan. How have you enjoyed the journey so far, Fen?
Journey's been amazing, my brother. I can't lie. It's been very nice, like the way you're bringing the community together as well. You know what I mean? All ages, everyone's seeing what we're doing as well, and they're appreciating it. So it's been a good journey, man.
That is it, Fen. So look, it's a vegetable thing. Come and have a look in the pot.
All right, let's look.
So we got corn, pumpkin, red onion, garlic, red pepper. You understand? I'm putting some more red onion in right now, and this is just for like flavouring. You understand, Fen? Yeah, man. Just a flavour up the thing right now.
Yeah, man.
With these ingredients.
So what are you making today, anyway?
A vegetable soup. This is gonna boil out later on, you know. So let me just put in some more corn in the pot, you know, just like that. Brought them up. You understand?
Oh wow.
Man, strong like coke. You get me? And then like some red peppers, you know, Fen. And this is just like, you know, the seasoning that people use, the dry seasoning in the packets? This is basically what I'm doing. And then I'm just gonna add some thyme and add some scallion. And then I'm just gonna make everything just boil. And then later on I just add my heavy substance like my yam and my cocoa and my Irish potato and them thing there. You understand?
Good
Yeah,
vibes.
a good vibe. Big up yourself, people, yeah. Welcome to 24 Hour Kitchen. I'm Ringo Vision. I'm here with team and I'm here with Fen. That is it, people, yeah. Good vibes. Yo.
Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa. Outside.
Outside, man. Yes.
We say drinks.
Yeah, man, we have dumpling pan deck, Fen.
Wow, finally.
Finally.
Because they've been asking for it though, haven't they?
Yes.
So the brother, man, I need up some flour.
Yeah, man. So some little small, little spinners, them.
Yeah.
Got Japanese pot. Nice, sir.
Right, you lot are moving fast. Slow down, blood. slow down.
Just put them in, man. They're loving that food there.
Real dumpling now.
Go on, show them. I make some real dumpling now.
The gloves that are mad. If you can't get to do it properly, but the name of our name. See that? That's it.
Man, I'm moving fast this. I love it though. Big up.
We have to big up Mike, you know, because Mike is just need up his brother for you on a shop door and that's what I said, yeah? They might put into my community work, so
Yeah.
if you're watching this and you're in the community, that's all you have to just put in a support.
Yeah, man.
That is it.
That's it, man.
What? Can you get some water, please? So, Fen, look, what we're doing over here now, yeah? Sink. Let's sink it. That is it. What's your dash water like?
Waps, what go on, fam? Waps, I dash up the water.
The blue one, it had done long time, because it has hooked on from my hand. With a gloves, you have space.
What I'm doing right now, friend, the dumplings going in while we're cutting up some carrots at time, you understand? Yeah, because you see the dumpling now, the dumplings can't boil out, so that can just be in the pot forever. You understand?
Yeah, man.
So everything else that's in the pot, that's going to actually boil out to become flavour. Yeah, man, a good vibe.
A good vibe.
So have a look in the pot and check out colours. Look for colours, man. I remember so we have scallion for going in the pot as well, no friend.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Scallion we just saw wash out.
Yeah, and chocho.
I put chocho in some yam. I see some yam peel out. The yam there.
That you can see on top of the pot lid, yeah. Is cassava.
Cassava, yeah.
Yeah, cassava.
Okay. So dashi and cassava and all like yams basically.
Yeah, root vegetables.
Okay.
Ground provision we call them.
What you call them again?
Ground provision.
Ground
Water.
provision, yeah. Me like that one there.
Yeah. No, take time.
Take time, no waps, man.
Sorry.
Big up waps.
Big up. Hey.
So look, as you can see, people, the man them are moving like, you know, like Formula 1, yeah. When you got the people changing the tires, yeah. This is how these men are moving with the dumplings. Just no long thing. Yeah, like the mechanics, the food mechanics. Cool, man. A good vibes.
Good vibes, yeah. Dashing out time and night.
I want some more water and stuff like that.
Yeah, water, I got top up, man. Cassava. This is what they make cassava dumpling, this is what comes they use to make bambi.
Okay, makes sense.
Breadfruit I'm putting in the pot pen.
Putting breadfruit in there, yeah?
Yeah,
This is breadfruit. Just make your coward.
Yeah. Yeah, some people don't eat breadfruit because like you just said, it make you coward.
For real?
Yeah, it makes you coward. So if you're already a coward, yeah, don't eat no breadfruit.
Yeah.
Make you even more of a coward.
You say you turn you for more of a coward if you eat breadfruit. I move like a real breadfruit.
Yeah, you have to really brave.
So we have to eat some food that turn us brave.
Yeah.
Breadfruit, they say you turn you coward.
Yeah, breadfruit. Say the end say breadfruit turn you not coward. I saw you go Clint. Yeah?
Breadfruit like it, happy and salty. Man, like when breadfruit fried though. Roast and fried. Boil and fried.
So friend, what I'm cutting up here is a sweet potato, yeah?
Yeah.
But this one's actually from Uganda.
Okay, because I was about to say it looks different to the normal sweet potato. Our sweet potato is like an orange colour, isn't it?
Yeah, but this one's really sweet as well, you know?
See.
Yeah, it's nice as well. This white sweet potato.
Okay, from Uganda, yeah?
Yeah.
It's the first time I've seen that. Let's look closely at this.
You have noodle?
No. No.
I get that noodle, man. I want the pot to bubble up, man. Start chum from bubble out like that. Bubble. Yo, big boss. Come here. So next time you come out there, I have to
See that?
one noodle to throw in the soup. Pumpkin noodle. Pumpkin noodle.
Yes, everybody. So, you know, say the pot now is nearly got all the ingredients in there. The pumpkins in there, the yams in there. We put some carrot in there. You understand? Scallion in there, thyme in there. Putting some cho in there right now. You understand? Just nicing up the thing right now, and bringing the soup in. Let me say, Pen.
Come on, bringing the soup in, fam.
Bringing in the soup.
All right, out in the market.
Yeah, man, bringing in the soup.
And we are cook up same way.
Yeah. See, that's the soup I bring in there. See there?
Come close, let me come closer.
Soup for the warmness. Ringo Vision all-purpose seasoning mix.
All right, let's show this. Show them, please.
Ringo Vision all-purpose seasoning mix. All right, people, yeah, get this. Get this, get this. Vegetable one and pumpkin one.
No, I'm going to take 2 pumpkins.
Eh? Yeah, me know, man. I just do one and I drop in there.
No. Stall can move, what a moving stall. Remember, you know, anyway, people them there, we need to find them and give them the food. And they have to come to it. No.
What I put in now?
More yam.
More yam, yeah?
Yeah, more yam. We have to put solid food in the pot and thing.
Yeah, man, because you know what? The people them have some food that's going to fill them up, you know what I mean?
We don't want to give them a long water.
We don't want, yeah.
Substance.
Substance, no long water. A pure substance we are give them.
Yeah, man, we'll top up it. Guess what?
I want you want to boil, man.
You want to boil before we start put the water in?
I know, man. The black, you know, man. Every that boil up now, man. In 5 minutes, I will put that in.
Is that cho?
Yeah. Wow, look where we reach, people. Look at that. Yeah, man, so it's a nice vegetable soup, people, yeah, just bubbling up. Good vibes. Yeah, man, we're here. We're at the market, people, yeah. I cook half the whole of the food. Yeah, man, just a vegetable thing, so yeah, man, just stay tuned with us. We're gonna go out in a little while, go back to the local community, go and find the homeless people them, and we're gonna cook some. We're cooking the food already. We're gonna hand out the food. You understand? Our good vibes. Right, that's how we cook it on the shopping trolley. We've got like things like pumpkin, yam, cassava. We've got thyme, scallion, garlic. We've got leeks. And next one we've got red onion, red pepper, green pepper. Yeah man, we've got chow in there as well, everybody. We've got some Scotch bonnet pepper there that we're gonna add into the pot as well. A good vibes, big up yourself everybody. That is it. Yes everybody, so look, I just want to show you what's been happening today. So we've got red pepper, that's Scotch bonnet. Yellow one, this is Scotch bonnet, but we're not going to burst them. So we've got yam in the pot. We've got dumpling in the pot today. No offense.
Some spinners.
Some spinners, we've got corn in the pot. Everything in the pot right now.
Everything I run.
Everything I run right now. Vegetable soup. The pumpkin kind of like boil out. You see how the pumpkin there? Look at the pumpkin.
Yes. And it's made the colour in the pot, isn't it? Like
yeah man, give some more flavour.
Look,
mash it out.
Good vibes.
Nice red pot of soup, you understand? With a bit of greens in there. You see the little greens just gives a little contrast. Yes. Like the red and the spinach. You understand? I got the okra them in there as well, said way. Yeah man, good vibes.
Good vibes.
45 minutes open.
So yes people, it's important for us to give the people them good meals as well. So especially like a pot of soup like this, it's got all the right nutrients in there, like you know, like the yam, the sweet potato, the Irish potato, the spinach, the pumpkin, the carrots, the garlic, the thyme, the scallion, the red onion. You understand people, yeah? The ginger as well, all them things they're adding towards building up back your body in regards to starch, protein, iron, magnesium, zinc. You understand? Copper, the food is giving you back everything. You understand people, yeah? So it's important that when we're cooking food that's giving them back the right minerals and the right nutrients them.
Our good vibes.
We need fix up back body.
Fix up back body.
Fix up back body, yeah. Fix up back body.
Yeah man.
So we make them look like this here body, yeah. Yeah, like
once you eat that, listen, this how it is. Once you eat that good food, it got the spinach and everything in it, right? Yeah. Once you eat that, you go from looking like boom to looking like boom. You know what I'm trying to say?
Tarzan.
No workout. Tarzan shit. You know what I'm saying?
Close him up, Finn. Let's have one last look.
Let's have another one.
Bubbling. That's what's happening. That's what's happening. Alright, so we're on the go with the kitchen right now, everybody. Yeah man, a good vibe. So yeah man, we're just taking the shopping trolley with the food on the high street. This is where we are, we're on the high street. We're just gonna... There's two people here, you know.
You want food? You got soup.
Yeah. Don't pull it in front of him. Just come and park up. Don't pull it in front of him. Yeah. You want to park up? Just park up here somewhere. Properly.
Alright, we're coming. You want soup, yeah?
Yes.
Spoon.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you very much.
What's it back for more? Nah, bro, we can only give out food and clothes, bro. No money.
We got to show you.
You know, I know his mummy. Remember time?
Yeah, get full shots of me recording here, like.
Yeah, I got it ready, yeah. It's been recording still.
Let's see. Sharing the same ingredients,
Yes everyone, so what we're doing now, we're just sharing out some food. We just stopped on the high street. Yeah man, we're just dealing with the mission. I understand that, right, friend?
Oh, come on man, we're continuing the mission, bro. 10 weeks in.
Yeah.
10 weeks in, people.
That is it people, so we're out on the high street right now and yeah man, we're doing the mission. Yeah man, we're just giving out some food right here on the high street. Yeah man, so we're gonna chill out here for a little while and just feed the people them that just come through, because more time they come through here on the high street, or we go up to Queen's Park up there, or there's a little patch right there where we go. You understand? A good vibe. Look up yourself, everybody. Yes, everybody. So we're on the go right now with the kitchen. As you can see, we've got the Potter soup there. You understand? We've shared out a few cups so far. So yeah, man, we're just gonna head down the end of the high street and just hand out to people who we see. And then also we're gonna go back up to Queen's Park and then just do a little, we're gonna do our routine. Cause our routine now, yeah, is that we circle up the high street, down the high street, then we get back to Queen's Park. You understand? Our good vibes people. So yeah, man, that is it. Week 10 outside.
We got everybody.
Boom, shine! Yeah, me. Pull it up! Yo.
Yeah, you got to tap on the screen.
Jason Jackson, pick up yourself. Everyone tap that screen up. Oh, bad.
No, not all good guys are good. We're still here, innit? You get me?
Yeah, man, a good vibe. So we're sharing out some food right now. You want food? Okay, let's go with it.
We're not the best.
This guy down.
I can't sit down anymore. Every time I try and sit down. Do you know what I say one thing? Can I just say one thing?
Record it.
No, don't worry about it.
That you can see everything. You can see everything.
Hold up.
Yo,
Can I just say one thing? What's going on, brother? What are you saying, brother? I've got this idea.
Big soup, man.
Oh, yo, Gabby.
I saw it yesterday, bro, and I saw you on the bike. Swear up.
I'm not saying they did.
I what, big man?
Yo, Ringo, what's that though? What soup is that?
This is some vegetable soup that we're cooking.
Okay.
Yeah, man, we're just sharing out to the community right now. Yeah, man, our good vibes. Use this one, friend. Just, yeah.
You know as well, we got
What?
big.
And these out, please. And them out for me, what?
I've got so much respect for you guys. I've seen you on TikTok and Facebook.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Seriously, well done. Not many people are willing to do what you're doing, you know.
What, on YouTube as well, you know?
Is it? Listen.
Well, on YouTube as well.
I
Ringo, tell them the YouTube. What's the YouTube page called? And we got Fem. What are you saying? What's our YouTube as well?
Real Fend on YouTube, Table Time Podcast.
Yeah.
So I'm saying, big man, you're a big man, yeah.
And out there.
Spoon as well, yeah.
No, I've been seeing them do it for weeks now. I've been seeing you guys doing it. Don't have to see the picture.
Yes, you look good.
Yo,
You good, yeah?
who else wants soup?
Come on, my guy.
The guy in the blue t-shirt, tap him.
Are you saying, what's
Yo,
that?
you want soup, yeah? You're right, you want soup? That's why I managed to
Freeing up the people, bro. Right now.
And what do you do? Just go up and down? No, that's
All the way to Croydon, yeah.
I've been seeing it for weeks now. They have to chew.
look, the pot's gonna get empty, people.
I know.
I don't know, cuz, but he just made the phone on Chris. Like you and sugar again. Can you do it then? Alright.
Sorry, bro, sorry.
Some people are seeing it for the first time.
Have you got any stuff for them?
Yeah, it's in the bag, it's in the bag. Bare clothes in the bag still.
So we'd like to donate these.
Thank you for that, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Anytime, bro, anytime, anytime.
I really appreciate
Yo, Ringo, where we going now?
We're going down to West Croydon now.
Yeah.
And it's going to tap in and just like, we fed back a few people like there.
Yeah.
A good vibe. We can go down and feed a few more people. Yeah, man, we're in West Croydon. This is where they said that all the madness is going on, but the community's got love. The community's got love. Spin around and look around, there's no war. All people need is food, clothes, understand? Happiness, love. You understand? Everybody just come together and just have a vibe, man. And relax on themselves.
Come on.
Outside.
Outside, that's it.
Yes, people, so it's been a good day, alive, and
Come on, man, we've had a productive day.
alright. So the man them itch up here, so you know.
Jeez, the man them in there, you get me, gathered in the place.
So yeah, man, so thank you very much, people, yeah. Day 2, week 10.
Jeez.
You understand? The mission today, completed the mission.
How did we get on today?
We get on really good. So, you understand, we've got a couple more, you understand?
Suits to give out.
A couple more suits to give out. But we just want to say thank you to everybody, you understand?
Yes.
We're going to shoot the trolley back up in town right now, you understand, people, yeah?
Yes.
A good vibe here in West Croydon.
Jeez.
What? A good vibe.
A good vibes.
A good vibe.
We tell them, yo, a good vibes, people, we're here. You get me, today's been a good day, like Ringo said. Week 10, day 2, you know. Day 2.
Right. So we're gonna be tackling Westminster as well, fam.
That's right, we're gonna hit up Westminster, so you're gonna see me there as well with Ringo along the journey. Westminster, we're gonna hit Camden, you know what I mean? We're going around the town, man. So yeah, man, look out for us, people. We'll be in your area soon. If you wanna come and help, feel free to join us. And yeah, man, join the mission.
And Fen, tell the people then where they can find you.
Yeah, man, you can find me on YouTube. Just type in Real Fen on YouTube. I've got a podcast called Table Time Podcast. Yeah, so if you can't find me there, just Table Time Podcast. My good vibes. Jeez. New merch out soon as well.
Table time.
Table Time.
A good vibes. Look at yourself, Fen.
Big up, man. Big
That
up.
is it, Ronnie. Outside. Man them there. Outside. A good vibes.